Hello and welcome to Kilgore International. In this video, we'll show you how to set up our anesthesia training mannequin system, a powerful tool designed to elevate your dental training experience. To learn more, visit us anytime at kilgoreinternational.com. When purchasing your anesthesia model, you have two options to choose from. Option 1, semi-transparent tissue. This version is ideal for student practice, allowing visual identification of contact points. Students can easily see where to place injections, making it excellent for early training. Option 2, pink tissue. This version is designed for advanced training and testing. With no visible contact points, students must rely entirely on touch, making it a great choice for evaluating their proficiency. No matter which model you choose, both versions include 11 total contact points, 7 on the maxillary and 4 on the mandibular. Each site can typically be used for 150 to 200 injections before showing signs of wear. Even better, there's no need to purchase an entirely new model when wear does occur. The teeth are ortho-waxed in, allowing you to replace just the tissue. Simply remove the teeth, then swap in a new tissue, either semi-transparent or pink, and you're ready to continue training. Let's begin by reviewing the components included in the anesthesia training mannequin system. The Darwin head, the Shug 2005 adult anesthesia model, the CBM 5A chair and bench mount, and a 3/16 T-handle tool. A key feature of our anesthesia model is the built-in light and sound system. This system gives instructors and students instant feedback on injection accuracy. Here's how it works. If instructors want to monitor students silently, they can enable the light-only mode. The light will activate when the contact point is reached. If students need real-time feedback, switch to the sound mode. The model will emit a sound when the injection is placed accurately, helping to reinforce correct technique. This feature is a great tool for both guided practice and objective assessment. To set up the system on a dental chair, slide the headrest up to expose the flat metal glide bar. Place the CBM 5AA mount around the glide bar. Use the black adjustment wheel to secure the mount tightly to the bar. Now take the Darwin head and place it onto the pole. Make sure it's aligned with the flat side of the bar. You'll hear it click or seat into place. Use the T-handle to tighten it down securely. Next, it's time to install the anesthesia model into the Darwin head. Lift the upper portion of the Darwin head. On top of the anesthesia model, you'll see two guide holes, one on the left and one on the right. Align those holes with the guide pins inside the Darwin head. Once aligned, tighten the model into place using the black adjusting knob. Finally, close the Darwin head. You can also make adjustments using the silver levers on the CBM 5A mount. One lever adjusts chin up and chin down positioning. The other allows for side-to-side movement for more dynamic training scenarios. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding your setup process. To learn more about our patient education models, curriculum-based training systems, and advanced simulation products, visit kilgoreinternational.com. We appreciate your interest in Kilgore International, where we elevate dental education through patient simulation. Have a great day, and we look forward to connecting with you again soon.